lower. Rambo's coming home. The old man down in the corner slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on a puncher train underneath the Louisiana moon. Don't mind the strain of a hurricane coming around here in June. The high black water, devil's daughter, she's hot, she's cold, she's mean. Nobody can talk, it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Man came down from Chicago, he gonna set that lady right. He said it needs to be at least 3 feet higher and won't make it through the night. But the old man down in the corner said, don't you listen to that boy. Water will be down by the morning, he'll be back to Illinois. I was born in the rain on a puncher train underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane come around here in June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hot, she's cold, she's mean. Nobody talks, it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. I hear the south wind moan, the bridges getting lower, Rambo's coming home. The old man down in the corner slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. Let me tell him, Mike. I was born in the rain on a puncher train underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain